unbox it. The two pieces are out. Your parts can be found inside the seat cushion. Peel back on the Velcro. Your legs will be there. Hardware bag and instructions. You can leave this open while we do the assembly. With the hardware bag, you get 9 bolts total. 5 are the shorter 50 millimeter, 4 of the 60 millimeter, and although our instructions show 1 washer, that actually comes with 2, a locking washer and a flat washer. The small locking washer goes on first, then you add the flat washer for the 2 pieces. And for this, we're going to preload them on there to make it easier when you go to assemble. Step 1 will be to install the seat bottom to the seat back. You'll notice 5 holes on both parts. Take one of your bolts, and so you can follow the alignment going down. Once you get the bolt in, and you may have to wiggle it in just a little bit until you get the first bolt started. Right now, I'm just going to tighten this finger tight. I'm going to move on to the second. As you tighten the bolts, we are only going to go to about 75% tight. You're going to leave some play in there. Once you have the 5 bolts in place, and again going to about 75% tightness, we're going to install the legs. And one of the easier ways is to, if you're working on a table, to put it like this. The legs go into the corners. You're going to be using the 4 60 millimeter bolts. And again, you may have to just wiggle it a little bit until the bolt finds the hole. Once we have all of our bolts in place and snug down, you want to make sure that the chair is level, and you put it on your floor or a flat surface. Make sure you have no rocking going on. You can sit on it and actually adjust a little bit and make sure it's level to the ground. Then we're going to raise it back up and tighten down all of our bolts. All of our bolts are in place, the chair is level, and now it's time to tighten the bolts up. It's best to start in a clockwise fashion, because what you want to do is tighten the bolt, move on to the next, and come around the chair probably twice. As you tighten up one bolt, it will give room on another to tighten itself down. So you want to go around the chair, making sure you have all the bolts equally tight. Once you've gone around and tightened your bolts, and again, that might have taken you 2 or 3 revolutions around to keep tightening till you're satisfied with how tight they all are, it's time to close it back up. Velcro goes on in place, and the chair is ready to use. And I would suggest that after the chair has been in use for a while, if you notice anything getting loose, it's a matter of just opening back up and save your Allen key, check your bolts, and tighten it back up.